Red snapper is one of the most popular of all white fish. It is naturally found all over the world, with most of the fish harvests coming from the Gulf of Mexico and Indonesia. Red snapper has a firm texture and a sweet nutty flavor that lends itself well to everything from hot chilies to subtle herbs. Whole red snapper can be broiled, grilled, pan-fried, steamed, baked, or deep-fried. Fillets are good pan-fried or steamed. Red snapper is also a nice ingredient in fish stew, such as cioppino.
So next, let me show you my seasoning. We're going with my Cajun two-step, some onion powder, some leaf.
This the cavalier, oregano.
Some lemon pepper, some chili powder, and some cocktail sauce. So right here we have our rice stuffing. We just mix some of the ingredients, 1/8 of a teaspoon, and some rice. And then fill it up in the fish. Have it stay open a little bit too, so it can cook all the way through. You can use different stuff.
Can you use rosemary and fresh thyme in it?
Rosemary, thyme. Thyme. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. A little more in this one. Pretty big fish. Big hungry. Alright, next we're going to come in with our canola oil. Oil the skin and try to bind the sauces and seasonings and try to keep them sticking to the grill.
Come down that way from the thing. You a pro, I'm not saying anything.
I'm still learning. Every day.
Some nice snappers.
So like about a good 2 pounds. Alright, next we're going to go with
oregano. Oregano, we're not Italian.
we Southern. Is it Italian?
It's Italian.
Oh, okay.
Looking good, it smells good. And you can use dry thyme and dry rosemary, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What's that you putting on?
This is the onion powder. Okay. Put a little lemon pepper on.
I love lemon pepper.
Oh, yeah.
That looks good already.
I'm gonna hit it last. 2-step.
I think you go heavy with that, can you?
Yeah, it's not real salty.
You can go heavy with that. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful.
Then we're gonna do the other side, and we'll be right back.
Okay. Oh, wait, I was up there to look at this.
Okay, now we're gonna come in at the end with some chili powder.
Help blacken and give it a color. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
People coming to die.
We'll be alright. And on this one, we got some flour on. See if we can get it darker than the other one.
Oh, blacken.
Blacken.
Blacken red snapper. Okay. Okay.
And we're gonna put it on the grill, and we'll be back. So we got our canola oil on, rubbing it in good, and then we heat up so the fish skin won't stick. Make sure you get it on everything.
Have another rack on top?
Do I have a wet?
Another rack.
I do. I have a,
Why you have another rack on there?
try to keep the heat from burning up the fish. I don't have no flare up.
Oh, okay. Smart.
We're gonna put the fish on.
Okay. Good looking fish.
The heat is hot.
Oh, yes. I can hear it hot.
So we're gonna close it down.
What about them wings over there?
I mean, we got them wings on. We'll be back. Cooking these now for about 20 minutes at 200 degrees. Flip it over. They will break apart.
They sure look delicious. This one got the flour on in it.
Yes, ma'am. Want to see what the difference is going to be.
So much different.
No, it's not.
And you gonna put the lemon juice on there?
Yes, ma'am. We'll put some lemon juice in a minute. We'll let it cook for just about 15 more minutes and check it. And then we'll put it directly on.
Lemon.
Yes, ma'am. We'll see what happens.
They look delicious. That one.
They smell good. Done. We're going to come in and squeeze some lemon juice on.
You know how I thought you were gonna fork it, knife it. You have to knife it on top of it. Stick the knife in the side and then knife the lemon. You just call it fork it, but you don't knife it, okay? How about that?
Nice and flaky.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's going to be good. It's going to be good.
Okay.
And we'll be back.
I see those sauces open up over there.
Oh, yeah.
That is marvelous. Fantastic. What you got to say about it?
I think it was good. We're going to see what they taste like. Okay, I just rest for about 15 minutes. Coming in with a nice little squeeze of lemon juice. We're going to add that garnish. And there you have it, people.